Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. These very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery could be used in a wide variety of ways. So let's talk about them one by one. The most of the times used and beautiful creativity of these very beautiful borderline embroidery patterns is for creating the hemlines of your kurti shirts or designing ranges from you can design the borders of your sleeves, even the borders of your bottoms, like trousers. Even you can also embroider these patterns onto your denim fabric, ranging from jeans, denim jackets to denim shirts as well. The beauty and creativity of these very beautiful patterns of Brooklyn embroidery is not only limited to this, you can also design the four corners of your dupatta, shawl, scarf, and even the borders of your saris, the sleeves borders of your blouse. Even you can also use them in a parallel fashion onto your necklines, giving them a more beautiful and formal look. The beauty and creativity is not only limited to this, you can also use them for a wide variety of DIY decor items, like you can use them for embroidering onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, curtains, table mat, prayer mat, and many more other DIY creative items also. So I would recommend you to do try these battles. And if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest and uploads on my channel. Because your love and support is the only way through which we can get to know uh, at which point we are stronger. So thank you so much for watching and stay blessed for more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Until then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments that which type of content you want us to share with you in our new and more upcoming videos.